Today we are opening
a toy
mystery pack. There's 8.
As you guys, if you didn't know that I've opened 2 of these before, I think, on my YouTube channel, and I love opening these.
I opened only 1.
Okay.
So
let's see what's inside.
Ooh. But I
it's a bag within a box. Oh, there's other stuff in there. Oh, I see. There's a bunch of stuff. How many items are in there?
That one, yeah.
8 items.
Bubbles.
Oh, you got bubbles?
I already have these.
So there's just toys. I also.
And then this one.
Hold on, can you not like go that quick? Wait, what is it?
Okay, so you got bubbles. Put that over here so we can get that later.
Yeah, that's the one.
Different stuff. It's different. What is that?
I love these.
What is it?
You do this.
Oh, little rockets.
Hold on.
What did you
get? And then you
get?
squeeze this and it pops out.
Try. Show me.
I don't know how to put them on. I only know what they do.
Okay.
Oh.
There you go.
I want the suit.
It's okay.
Thanks.
You're welcome. That's cool.
So what?
Whoa. You got a plane?
Yes.
Cool.
Hold on, I think this is what's this?
Okay, yours is definitely a fail.
I can't build it. I won't go without breaking.
Okay, let's move on to the next item then.
Wait, where's my bubbles?
Right here. I got them right
Here's my
here.
plane.
Here's your plane. That's a nice in pieces plane.
There, just wait. I'm just gonna do this one then.
Ew, what is this? I have that!
Ooh.
Wait a minute.
Is that a duck call?
It's a duck, yeah.
I have that, you guys. I got another one of those fidget spinners!
Cool.
I got the same thing. We have the same things in each pack.
Quack.
No. I have spike balls.
Oh, spike balls.
Fidgets.
I have fidgets.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So do I.
I'll trade for those.
I love spike balls.
Ooh, I need those.
Whale!
Isn't that a shark?
Same colors. That's
Oh, it's a whale. It is a whale. Look a little bit like a shark. Oh, look.
Stop.
You guys love those.
What?
I got this instead of
We are filming. We're filming. You want that on YouTube?
No, it's okay.
And you can.
Okay, I'm done.
She's not scared anymore. She likes them. That was kind of like April 9th. Ew, don't eat on those. That's actually kind of good. Next we have our toys. What's this? Frog.
What'd you get? Oh, frog?
Yeah, frog jumping.
Oh,
I have that. I have
cool.
this and this.
Is that the last of
I
the
have
packages? One more still?
It's a car.
You already have that.
Isn't it the green one? And why is it in your toy? Okay, wait, count how many did you have? 1?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Cool.
Wait, what are these?
6, 7. I have 7. I only got 7.
What about that thing down there? The frisbee.
That's
mine.
guys. 1, 2,
Wait,
3,
which one?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 8 though. Wait, is there mystery bag? Is it?
Isn't this yours?
No, because I have one. See over here.
I got this though and that.
Okay, so we'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah.
Bye.
Woo. Wait, we
You
have to see what
guys
these
are
are.
Wait, that's it? I don't have that, so like you can
We have to see.
like, subscribe, give
Like
this
the
video a
video
huge
this
thumbs up, turn on the notifications so you're always notified when we post a new video or just
Wait, your plane. Where's your plane?
your rocket. My
Oh, your
Your
plane.
plane.
That's number 8. Your plane.
That's 8.
It was in that paper you threw away though.
Oh, okay.
Don't throw.
I'll get it. You gonna end the video or
Yeah,
you're
No,
halfway
no, wait,
through?
wait. My mom's doing
What?
opening my toy thingy, whatever it's called.
I don't know what it's called.
Okay, there we go. Wow. It's a yellow, like, sticky thing. It's a snake. It's a king cobra.
Yeah.
Wait. I'll show it to Green.
Oh. Wait.
Show it to Green.
No, okay.
I can't.
Okay.
Okay, that's my video. I hope you enjoyed
That's
it.
it?
Big thumbs up.
Haley, look at the video.
I'm trying to build this.
And
Okay.
bye. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.